I do not own any copyrights to any of this music.
Warning, none of this is real. Do not attempt this at home fictional at its best.
Disclaimer. All stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment, where no one is able to get hurt.
Boy, that pet thing, I ain't never seen on that charcoal gray. La 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 la. Yeah, man. At the car wash, I get all this salt off of there. Yeah. See, may have to get somebody to put their hands on this thing. I don't know. Let's see. Don't know. Run that brush across there real fast, though. That ain't gonna get it. I gotta get that up off there. Yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and get this dirt knocked off there. Shoot. Head on to the crib. After that, I just got out of work. That is they got in the cut over there. Purple thing. They got the green Bim Road on there, huh? That'll be a Joker edition. In the mail today. Who can guess what that is? Yeah. That supercharge on that bike. Yeah. But that's for the next episode. We'll hit up Daryl here, get him down here, let him slap that on for us. They out tonight, ain't they? They out tonight. State Trooper in the city. State Trooper got them caution things on there, don't they? They charge a man, huh man? Huh man? Oh, Jesus. Thing on his over there. Y'all see him right there? That's him right there. He got the things on here. Whoop! Let him have that. Meow. Nighttime POV. Nighttime POV. See what's going on in the city. Down there. That's it. At the little meetup, man. We about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 15 deep. See what the night brings. Shit. We hopped out in traffic. It's cold as I don't know what out there, boy. What is it, 21? Lord, 21? Yes, sir. About them things out. Woo! Ain't nothing like old nighttime POV, man. Yeah, we caught up with them boys a little bit too late. They took it on in. Do us a little drive by, man. See what they got going on over there. Wharf Reed. It's a little blocky. A little blocky. Yep. Okay. Little crowd over there. Big old beat up Impala. Yeah. Lord Jesus. There's a Hemi they got there. The Hemi truck. Uh-oh. Got it sounding good. The ram. Ain't got no bite to it. That Durango sound good though. Old Jeep got bite. Quiet Saturday for the birdie. Oh God, what's going on, man?
But ain't no charge. The total $420,000. She won't.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Uh-oh. Charger man now. The late night POV, man. See what's up. Ain't too much of nothing up. Almost a whole year since we've been out in the bird anyway. Uh-oh. Well, some come to the that is come to the line now. That APD. That is APD. We gonna swing that though, baby. We got that. Yeah. Oh yeah, we got that. Night calm look. Swing. Ain't crazy. Yep. Now I don't know how I want you to drive, son. Now I don't know how I want you to drive. Excuse me. These would be some of the best tracks to cross right there, boy. Yes, sir. You'll be wall to wall. Wall to wall coming through that thing, man. Yeah. A little light night tonight. They fried no chicken over there tonight. No, nothing. Jumping in Zoe. I got the link dog sitting up. Remind me of the Merc back in the day, man. Yeah. It's 19 at the 9, man. It cold out that door, boy. It cold out that door, Lord Jesus. Woo. Lord Jesus. This ain't for cheering. This ain't for children. Man, 45. Lord Jesus. Yes, sir. It's dark out here too. I would let them have it. I would let them have it. And they got it. Little nighttime POV, man. Little nighttime POV. Yeah. She got a little bite on her now. Get out of it. Yeah. Yes, sir. What I like most about it, man, you ain't even gotta press the gas in this bad boy. Just put it in gear, it drives itself, son. It ain't auto where it's turning and stuff by itself. But when you crank that bad boy up, man, put it in gear, that joke did get the rolling, man. Sure.
I'm proud of you, you know that. I hope you do.